face, breathing in the snowflakes, burned lungs, sour taste.
Yes.
The lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent, long night, strange man. And they say she's in the closet team, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking western, crumbling like pastries. And they scream the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just